Welcome. I'm Dr. Reginold Lam from LARA Aesthetics International, Sanjeev Reddy Nagar, Hyderabad. Today we are in talk with Dr. Vivek, the co-founder of ISHR, which is affiliated to World Society of Hair Restoration. And today we are here to learn about hair restoration surgeries.
Thank you, Dr. Lam. Yes, this is a very fascinating branch. Baldness is very epidemic all over the world. But unfortunately, a lot of surgeons and dermatologists are not getting into it to learn it. So there's a huge demand. Now, basically, hair restoration surgery is all about hand-eye coordination under magnification. And it requires lots of practice. You have to go through lots of cases to develop that particular skill. Unfortunately, this is a commercial branch. The secrets are not being shared much, the protocols, because people learn over a period of 10-15 years. So a new surgeon or a new dermatologist needs a good mentoring under the guidance of an experienced doctor who has done lots of surgeries, because these are small finer protocols that makes a great hair restoration surgery. It's a journey of a hair follicle from back of the scalp to the front. So there are many steps, the hair should not dry, it should not get crust, tension shouldn't preserve, right angle direction should be there. So what we believe is ISHR breaks, like you are the head of the Telangana and the Andhra Pradesh. So that's why for the doctors here, we bring to them a great mentorship under you, so that they get trained into different protocols of hair restoration. And not just learning the skill, you also need to propagate yourself in this today's digital world. So we teach you through hair cinema division, how do you create your own brand, position, strategize, let the world know you exist and you have arrived. So amazing feel, highly rewarding, highly profitable to add on to your practice, to grow your practice, both your name, profession and your revenues.